Hello and welcome to another exciting video. So in this video, I'll be finding the coefficient of s raised to power 3 in the expansion of 3 minus x raised to power 8 in ascending powers of x. Solution. First, before we go further, I want us to recall that in the expansion, we're going to be using binomial expansion formula, right? Now, we know that using this expansion formula, we have 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 x squared all over 2 factorial, then plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 x raised to power 3 all over 3 factorial, then plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 to n minus 3 x raised to power 4 into 4 factorial. Now, because of the fact that we are looking for the coefficient of f raised to power 3, then our problem will lie here. And this we will use to find the solution, right, to the problem asked. Then let's bring in the number that we want to evaluate, e raised to power 8. Now, you will understand with me that if I factor out 3 here, I can have 3 into 1 minus x over 3 all raised to the power of 8. Is that true? Yes. So if numbers are raised to the power of 8 like this, that means 3 is raised to the power of 8 and this value is also raised to the power of 8. So I'll be having 3 raised to the power of 8 into these values, 1 minus x over 3 also raised to the power of 8. I hope this is clear. Alright, if that's it, then I'm looking for the coefficient where the power of x is 3. Now you can see that these x are moving in ascending order, right? You can see from x raised to power 0, x raised to power 1, x raised to power 2, x raised to power 3, x raised to power 4. Okay, so I'm going to be using only this one now. Then I'll have 3 raised to the power of 8 into this value, n into n minus 1. Okay, let me start with 3 raised to the power of n, so that we'll just substitute values, right? So then we'll now be having n minus 2 x raised to power 3 all over 3 factorial, right? But then looking at the relationship, we know that our n is 8, right? And our x here is minus. So let me bring out the value. N is equals to 8. And then x is equals to minus x over 3, right? So let's substitute it into this value so that we can expand. It means now that 3 raised to power 8 into 1 minus x over 3 raised to power 8 will be equals to 3 raised to the power of 8, open bracket, 8 into 8 minus 1 into 8 minus 2 all over 3 factorial multiplied by minus x over 3 all raised to the power of what? 3. Okay, so let's go further. This is going to be 3 raised to the power of 8 into, this is going to be 8 into 7 into 6. This is going to be 3 times 2 times 1, right? 3 factorial. Then this, because the power is negative, we still have minus. Then this x will be raised to the power of 3. And this 3 will be raised to the power of 3. So 3 raised to the power of 3 is what? 27. Alright, so here we'll still be having 3 raised to the power of 8. So we can cancel through here now. This is 3 times 2 is 6, so it goes with this, right? So we're going to be having 8 times 7 then minus x raised to the power 3 divided by 27, close the bracket. So this is going to be 3 raised to the power of 8 into 8 times 7, so we have 56. 56 into minus x raised to the power 3 all over 27, right? Okay, so to continue, we will then be having 3 raised to the power of 8 into 56 times minus s cube. So it will give you minus 56s cube divided by what? 27. Alright, so let's go on. 3 raised to the power 8 times this value now, we're going to be having times 58, then minus x raised to the power 3 over 27, right? So here 3 raised to the power 8, what are we going to get? 3 raised to the power 8. So let's find the value of 3 raised to the power of 8. So we are having 6561. 6561 times 56 divided by 27 minus x raised to the power of 3. So when we multiply that value by 56 times 56, having a very large number. So this is going to give us minus 367 4 416 x raised to the power 3 all divided by what? 27. So this would be our final answer. Okay, you can see how we go about this kind of problems. If you have any question, you can drop them in the comment section. So the coefficient, according to the question, so the coefficient of x cube will give you minus 6367,416 all divided by what? 27. So this is the coefficient. This is the coefficient that we're going to be having